Friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see very important disease from dog practice of me. Clinician gets large number of the cases eclampsia in bitches at the hospital. So this is very important disease for dog practitioners. It is frequently occurring in bitches. Today we will see part 1. In this we will see synonyms, definition or introduction, etiology and predisposing factors of eclampsia in bitches. This is an important metabolic disorders of bitches. We learn here the various synonyms of eclampsia in bitches. In various tracts and various parts of the world, there are different names. It is simply called as a eclampsia. Eclampsia means a convulsive seizure during pregnancy, and this occurs commonly in ladies, human being. So name has derived from human being. Puerperal tetany. Puerperal means after parturition. Tetany occur after whelping, in which so name is given puerperal tetany. Simply hypocalcemia because biochemical defect is decreased calcium level in blood. Puerperal hypocalcemia. The bitch suffer from hypocalcemia after whelping. So it is a puerperal hypocalcemia. We continue with the synonyms. Periparturient hypocalcemia. The hypocalcemia is also observed around the parturition and after parturition. Because of the high milk production, there is drainage of calcium into the milk. So periparturient hypocalcemia. It is also called as lactation tetany because high loss of calcium in milk that results hypocalcemia and the symptoms are tetany. Milk fever in bitches, just like similar milk fever occurring in cows, and hypocalcemia in bitches, that is called as milk fever. Post-parturition tetany, again the same phenomena after parturition because of hypocalcemia, there is tetanic symptoms, so post-parturition tetany. Acute parturition hypocalcemia in bitches. See, acute hypocalcemia after parturition. This leads to very severe acute fatal symptoms in bitches, acute tetany and convulsions. So there is a acute parturition hypocalcemia in bitches. Friends, pay attention to this definition and introduction to understand the disease. It is a metabolic disease of bitches. The disease is acute life-threatening condition. It manifests acute symptoms and sometimes convulsion, tetany, even there is a death of animal, bitches. So it is life-threatening. The disease is caused by hypocalcemia in lactating bitches, especially at the peak of lactation. because of high drainage of calcium in milk. Disease is common in bitches, especially small breeds of dogs. Small breeds of dogs are highly susceptible and rarely occurs in large breed of dogs. We continue here definition or introduction. The eclampsia in bitches occur during lactation. This is the most common feature and commonly occurring in young bitches. Generally occur several days, means 2 to 10 days, to several weeks, 2 to 3 weeks after whelping. This is the common period. The common period is several days, 2 to 10 days, to several weeks, 2 to 3 weeks after whelping. But it occurs during lactation or rarely occurring at any time during the lactation, or it is sometime occurring occasionally in later part of the pregnancy or even at the parturition. The disease is clinically characterized by restlessness, excitation, panting, the bitch is constantly crying due to pain and severe tetany. Friends, in the introduction, you have understood the disease. Now we are going next to the etiology. Etiology very common is hypocalcemia, decreased calcium level of the blood, and that results because of high drainage of calcium from milk, excessive loss of calcium from milk. At the same time, inadequate intake of calcium from diet. If diet is unable to supply proper calcium to the body, that results into hypocalcemia. The high demand of milk because of large litters, large number of puppies, or large neonates. When the puppy grows, they suck more milk, and when they suck the more milk, there is high demand of the milk. That means high drainage of the calcium. It is observed that mostly hypocalcemia is accompanied with hypoglycemia, and that results into tetany. Simply treatment with hypocalcemia may not give proper response, but hypocalcemia with hypoglycemia if treated, that gives the good response. We see here the predisposing factors of eclampsia in bitches. There are several factors which help in precipitation of the disease. Atony of the smooth muscle and skeletal muscle at the time of whelping and afterwards may predispose the disease. Important part, remember clinician, overnutrition during pregnancy and lactation. This is important factor. Important factor next is the disease can be worsened by use of more calcium supplement during pregnancy. Remember these words. More calcium supplement during pregnancy causes disease during lactation. The higher incidences are observed in the first litter in comparison to the other litters. So first litter bitches are highly susceptible. We continue with the predisposing factors. Heavy litter size means more number of puppies. They suck more milk. When they suck more milk, there is more drainage of the calcium, resulting to hypocalcemia. Lactation in young bitches is more susceptible than lactation of the subsequent bitches or bitches that more older bitches. Young bitches are more susceptible. The disease is most common in toy breeds and small breeds of dogs. The large breeds of dogs are comparatively very less susceptible. The hypocalcemia concurrent with hypoglycemia, and this hypoglycemia is the cause of signs of tetany and tonoclonic conversion. So both conditions are there. Hypocalcemia concurrently with hypoglycemia. Friends, I have compiled a very nice information to make you to understand eclampsia. Now it is very easy to understand what is eclampsia. Please share this information to our veterinary friends, especially dog practitioners. You are getting large number of the cases in clinics. To promote the channel, request you to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.